wanted to show you guys what I'm putting on here. Set of factory head gaskets. You can see the O-ring. Right there. So stock cylinder heads, no porting or anything. Forward head gaskets with O-ringed heads and ARP head studs. This is the worst part of starting an engine you just worked on. You know everything you did to it, you go over everything in your head a million times, and you still get nervous every time you start it. If you don't, you're a braver person than I am, or you just don't care. I don't know. So what I'm going to do first is, since I've basically had the whole oil system drain, the whole, I had the rod off the crank and everything, before I try to start this thing and really get compression and fuel going in it, I like to pull the starter wire from the passenger side and go straight to the battery, crank the engine. That way it builds up oil pressure before it has any other stress in the engine. So I'm going to do that now. It's running a little rough, but as you can tell, it's started up. Probably just a little air in the fuel system and the oil system. I'll check all the fluids, start it back up. As you can tell, that sounded a lot different. Now I got most of the air out of the system, fired right off. Okay, I'm gonna let it sit here and warm up a little bit, check the transmission fluid and power steering, and then probably charge the AC, and then go take it for a drive. I'll take you with me. Okay guys, I'm out driving the truck. Got the sun behind us there. Driving good. Can't complain. I'm flushing the cooling system right now. I forgot to take you guys on the first drive, but it was uneventful. Or, well, I guess nothing happened. Truck drove like it should. Finished, I think I'm on the last step. I think I got most of the, or basically all of the degreaser or soap out of the cooling system, and then I'll drain it completely and fill it up with 50-50 coolant water, take it for one last drive, and then I'm done with it. So this is definitely one of those ones that just, you're ready to get rid of it. It fights you the whole way, but just got to keep going, get it done, get it fixed. That's the one thing is a lot of people just give up and be like, I'm done with it. You can't do that. You got to fix it. Got to make sure, take care of people. You know, treat them like you want to be treated. Anyway, since got the truck all fixed up, test driving again, finishing on the cooling system, like I said, I'm done with this one pretty much. So if you guys would like, comment, and subscribe, definitely comment. If you got any questions, shoot me a question. I'll have my email in the description of the video, and I'll see you in the next video.